Hi, I'm Mr. Levier and I'm here in Ottawa, Canada. It is February 12th, 2025, and there is about to be a major snowstorm hitting this region, between 30 and 40 centimeters. That's a lot of snow. So even though the sun is still shining here, it's soon. The snow will start tonight, so we will document this storm, and you'll see for yourself what a snowstorm looks like. Here we go. Well, good morning. Here we are. The storm has really dumped a lot of snow. Here we have quite a few centimeters. I'm not quite sure how much. They predicted between 30 and 40 centimeters. There is a lot of snow out here, so it's time to start shoveling. Well, on Thursday, we had 32 centimeters of snow. And now it's Saturday, and we're supposed to have another storm. Another storm is coming. So let's see what's going to happen now. Wow, it's still snowing. It's Sunday morning, and it's been snowing all night. And I guess we're going to get at least another 30 centimeters of snow here. This is definitely an unusual weekend. So just take a look. Can you believe it? It's finally stopped snowing. And it's been 17 years since we had a storm like this. We had almost 70 centimeters. That's a lot of snow. So let's start digging out.